Show me what you're doing.
You get tissue. No, don't suck it in. No, don't suck it in. Why you gotta suck it in? Why didn't want me to eat you?
Gentle.
Now I will eat you.
There you go. Arabella, it is October, and you were 1 at the end of July, so whatever that makes you. Let me see. Got little holes up there? Let me see. Yeah. Oh, yes, they come out that way. Okay, okay. Now you got to put them back. Arabella, Arabella. That's enough, Bella. Put them back now. Put them back in there.
What?
A tool.
A tool.
Put them in there, Bella.
Screwing?
Good job.
You want to do Play-Doh, Amy?
That's a good idea. You could do pumpkin Play-Doh.
Yeah, Amy. Look, we have Halloween. Look.
Black and orange? Do we have black and
We can
orange
make
colors?
cookies like that.
No.
No,
I'm
we
not
need
going to
sugar.
make cookies.
Let's see. Oh, a ghost, Damon. What color do you want?
You got to put away your toothpicks, Bella. You made a mess.
Here, blue, yellow's a good Halloween color.
What are you doing, Mace?
Doing something.
No, green.
What are you making?
We don't have blue.
Making a picture?
Blue.
Like on picture and art and music, whatever it's called?
Yeah, I want green.
Okay.
Mommy, a ghost. That's a ghost. Look at that ghost. Whoa, the pumpkin one.
Oh, are you poking it in a pumpkin? That's a good idea.
Now what?
Bella wants some Play-Doh.
She ain't gonna eat it.
Well, tell her no. I wish I would have gotten that Play-Doh table.